Powder valve bag packaging machine. Powder valve bag packaging machine is used for valve bag packaging of powdery and granular materials with a specific gravity of greater than or equal to 0.2 m3. It can also ensure high packaging accuracy for granular powders and ultrafine powders with high gas content. Product introduction. This powder valve mouth packaging machine is a high-tech product that exceeds the international average level. It has overcome the packaging problems that have not been solved for many years in the titanium dioxide and other viscous powder industries, replaced imported equipment, and is also suitable for valve bag packaging of other powders with low gas content. The equipment has the advantages of stable performance, high precision, no material drop at the valve mouth, no dust, and full and beautiful packaging bags. Product function. The powder valve bag packaging machine adopts the auger feeding method to solve the packaging and metering problems of powdery materials and valve bag materials. The spiral variable speed feeding is adopted to solve the problem of the constraints of packaging accuracy and packaging speed. The breakthrough use of vibration and metering integrated device in China solves the packaging problem of viscous powder, reduces the packaging volume, reduces the packaging cost, and makes the packaging beautiful. The new discharge port device effectively seals the inner and outer jackets on the one hand, ensuring the packaging accuracy. On the other hand, the discharge port has a built-in air-blowing device and a closing device inside the discharge bag, which ensures that no residual material falls at the discharge port after the packaging bag exits the port, realizing clean production. The new vibration silo can pre-treat the material before packaging, so that the packaging speed and accuracy are further improved. Automatic and manual working modes can be used for continuous packaging and inching packaging. The automatic correction function of the drop difference can automatically correct the advance amount as the amount of material in the silo changes and automatically adapt to the changes in the packaging environment to make the weighing accuracy more stable. Finished product counting function. The number of finished products can be packaged every shift or every day. The main components are imported devices, which are reliable in operation, easy to adjust, and have a low failure rate. The material level detection function can be added. When the material level in the buffer vibration bin is low, an automatic alarm will be issued, and the next bag packaging will be prohibited, reducing the weighing error caused by material changes. 10. Convenient function expansion, automatic bag unloading, re-inspection, shaping, coding, stacking and